So here it is, 1964 Chevelle. It's an old drag car, built in the 70s. Ran some stock, super stock type classes with a 283 and a 4-speed. Changed hands a few times, ended up as a bracket car, running a 327 and a glide. And it was a low 11-second car. Pretty cool old car. These things just kind of disappeared, and always made you wonder what happened to them, where they went. You can see the dash is cut out. They got the floor cut out for a tranny tunnel. An old school 6-point roll bar. But yeah, these cars just kind of disappeared. And they cut the wheel wells, they got it rounded out. Fiberglass trunk lid. It's got a fiberglass hood. So this thing was tucked away for about the last 25, 30 years. Front end was sitting outside. It was a piece of a tree growing through the grill there. Got that out of the way. It's got the old school snorkel hood. Hood scoop, I mean. And, you know, it's got all the stuff for an old drag car. The long 3-inch studs. Little fiberglass seat. It's just sitting in there. And 12-volt 48 spool. And it's got like mini tubs in it. Fuel cell hanging down there. Let's see if I can see in here. Got the upper control arm mounts raised up. See over there, it's got a set of slapper bars on it. I don't know if you can see that. Underneath looks pretty good. It's been blasted and painted. You know, she needs a little love. A little lower quarter-panel rust. I mean, nothing terrible for a car like this. Usually rust around the windows pretty good. This one doesn't look too bad. Needs some work. They got Lexan windows in the quarters here. Doors are all gutted out. I wish they didn't cut the dash, but you know, a lot of good cars got cut back in the day. So, I mean, floors, what's left, pretty good. It's got the tin work in the back. You know, it's just a cool old race car. Welds don't look bad on the bar. Okay, you know, something old school. So, fenders aren't too bad. Bottoms aren't all rusted out. Rockers look nice. So, I think we got ourselves something to build here. Something to play around with at least. Have a little fun. I try to build something old school. And maybe save this old girl from the crusher, because I think most people probably would have just finished stripping it down. And you know, that would have been the end of it. It's pretty cut up. I have the doors. All the parts are here. It just needs put back together. So that's what we're gonna do today. Gonna play around, see if we can't make this thing look like a hot rod again. Maybe one day put her back on the track.